Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and here's a new video for you guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the new Apple Invites app, which allows you to send invites to your friends and family directly from your iPhone. This app is available on iOS 18, so if you are not on iOS 18 you need to update your phone by simply clicking on the settings here, and then go to the general, and then there is software update. Okay, you need to update your phone on iOS 18 plus. That will able you to get this latest app on the iPhone. Okay, after you have done this, you need to go to the App Store here, and you need to search the Apple Invites app here. Apple Invites app, and here it is. Okay, I have already downloaded the app for you guys. So after downloading, it will able you to send the invites directly to your friends and family like this. You can create an event over here, and just like this I have created a birthday event, which will be like showing editing the pre-formatted text, and it will send the invite like this. The location is over here. You can share some album pictures of the event or the playlist or whatever you want to send the invites to. Let's make a new invite over here as well, create an event. And I actually don't have the iCloud Plus, so I think I'm not able to yes, I'm not able to create more invites on this. So that's for today's video. I'll be showing you the complete detail in upcoming videos. You can buy this apps allows you to create different type of events such as watch party, housewarming. However, it invites requires a iCloud Plus subscription. You can still view invites, and but not to send them, you'll need to upgrade to iCloud Plus. Right now I don't have an iCloud Plus subscription on my phone, but I'll show you how you can use the app in upcoming videos in more detail. That's how you can get the Apple Invites app. Thank you very much. Bye bye.